Okay, hello, friends and followers. You might have survived that long 23-minute boring video where I was trying to put Lexan onto this piece, which is part of a Drake TR7, the front, I don't know what it's called, a graticle or something, but anyway, there's the front part. So I did get the Lexan on there. It probably has more smudges and scratches than I want, but it wasn't easy getting on there, so I finally got the thing placed in there. I put 4 little dots of epoxy in each corner. You can't see them because they're covered up by the filter Mylar, but anyway, yeah, there they are. So there's a dot in each corner there. As you can see, the dots there in the lower, in the upper, there's dots of JB Weld epoxy, and luckily I didn't occlude the view window with it. Almost did, but didn't. I also put one dot right down there, so a dot there, dot there, dot there, dot there, one down there. And then I put the filter paper above, and I put very small dots on the corners of the filter Mylar, and that's it. So this will sit all night, and tomorrow we'll see how it goes. Hopefully the fingerprints come out of it, and it's all done. So hey, you do learn things in first grade. You learn how to trace things, and you're not given sharp scissors, but you learn how to cut with scissors. So any first grader can do this. I guess first graders could also make epoxy work, but wasn't that bad. This concludes my, I guess, restoration of the beautification of the radio to make it at least seem Drake-esque from the beginning. Somebody must have cleaned this thing, and I guess they punched out this thing, but this looked to be melted on, which wasn't that bright of an idea, but I guess that's how they did it, or somebody melted this on. So I went the epoxy method. I've had really good luck with JB Weld. There was no way I was going to take a soldering iron to this thing, and oh well, it's close enough for me. So if I can get the fingerprints out of it tomorrow when it's dry, we'll see if they come out. And I guess when it's fired up, you won't tell a whole lot about fingerprints. Let's see how it looks. There's a light source. There's the device right there. Now the fingerprints are pretty visible, so I guess we'll see tomorrow how it works out, if I get them off of there or not. It's hard not to pollute this thing with epoxy when you're putting it together. You got epoxy on from handling the epoxy vials, and then you wash your hands and hope for the best, dry them off, and then you handle this thing, and it's like, there's always fingerprints and stuff. So I guess I'm not a clean room here, right? But it might look nice in the radio. We'll see. We'll see how it looks. Anyway, that's my new adventure. I'm going to watch some Olympic skiing, and it's the men's downhill tonight in Beijing, so it's time to watch that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Have a great evening, and I hope your country wins, whoever you're voting for, or rooting for on the Olympics. Have a great night.